price point of that new bike just right. In fact, Akshay will be faced with the same challenges that Ratan Tata and his Nano team did. We'll leave Akshay to it and move on to our trend story this week. Well, at some point or the other, we've all booked travel tickets online, and in fact, it's a space that's seeing a tremendous amount of startup activity. Surbhi Goyal then takes a flight with these startups and finds out how they're innovating and the growth potential in this space. So, fasten those seatbelts.
Fly high by paying as little as you can. A dream of many travelers, made possible by a handful of online travel startups. As the Indian traveler gets ready to explore new exotic locations, OTAs or online travel agents pack their bags to serve the new desire to travel.
Where the OTA's business is really coming from is the offline world. The shift from offline to online has actually been among the fastest in India. I'm getting a lot of data from various parts of the world, but whatever I'm seeing, it's almost 20 to 22% penetration right now of online travel in the overall travel. So imagine 4 years ago, there was no online travel in the country.
No wonder startups like MakeMyTrip, Yatra and ClearTrip, who are clear winners in the OTA space, transformed themselves from being mere flight booking sites to complete travel solution platforms. Platforms which include hotel bookings, rail and bus services. Not only do these platforms serve as a convenient tool for users, they're also extremely convenient for marketers to reach out to a wider audience.
We work with hotels as an outsourced distribution arm for them, especially for small and budget hotels who don't have the marketing means to be able to reach a large audience.
We are producing 20% of our total production from online channels, and MakeMyTrip amongst the Indian partners is the biggest for us. Our intention is in the next 3 to 4 years to actually increase this number to 35%.
With the space hotting up, it's also seen newer startups join the bandwagon with extremely innovative business models. One such startup is Ixigo.com.
When you do a flight search on Ixigo, we actually search across all the airline sites in the country, and we also search on online travel portals who are offering better deals sometimes.
The current Indian OTA market, pegged at $1 billion, is dominated by MakeMyTrip, Yatra and ClearTrip. With consumer confidence increasing, online air booking on OTA websites has risen to almost 45%. But even as flights booking accounts for a major chunk of revenue pies of most of these travel websites, the relationship with airlines is still a teething pain.
That will turn out to be a challenge. It's a very price sensitive market, and I think right now we are at a certain threshold where volumes are being maintained and prices are convenient for a customer. I think passing on an extra service tax to the consumer will only impact volumes negatively.
So how do we see the commission tussle between airlines and OTAs resolving?
I think it's not really going to get resolved completely. So you have to understand the airlines want to reduce their cost of distribution. They're fine with OTAs, and they're actually, some of them, quite happy with OTAs because we promise the most cost-effective means of distribution. I think the problem really comes is when people say, listen, I want to make flat 5% on a business class or a first class ticket.
So as this dynamic landscape sees a truce between agents and airlines, most expect the competition between OTAs and the airline websites to only increase. All this points to just one thing: more convenience and discounts for the traveler. Yes, travelers can look forward to an increasing number of OTA applications on mobile phones. So next time you are on a trip, go ahead and plan the other.
Another space that startups are exploring is online bus ticketing. In fact, a lot of startups like RedBus.in have actually managed to make some progress in that space. We'll take a breather on the show, but coming up,
an all-access app store, it's MobiKwik on our elevator pitch.